warning about coming over here.
Why they be doing it? They don't
Go
fucking
to your
know.
house. Go to where you from. Where you from? I know you're not from Florida. You from Florida? Stop walking around. I'll get it for you. That can't go to where you go. So go over there. You have any knife on you?
No, I don't have nothing on me. Can you take this to the store?
Chin, bring her on the side real quick. You're from here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what are you doing here? If you're not out here, no, hold on. If you're not out here with them, right?
Yes.
What are you doing there?
Oh, my boyfriend talking about scooters.
Your boyfriend what?
We talking about electric scooters.
So why you standing in the corner then?
Yeah, I was talking to my friend here, my man right there.
Sit in the middle? You got any knife on you?
I'm searching.
Anything that can prick you?
Let me hold on to the phone.
What's this?
Just coins. Change.
Oh, coins.
Wow.
Okay. I asked you what that was. You lied to me.
No, that was coins.
Let me get it.
I got coins.
I believed you at first, but not anymore.
It's just coins. Just coins.
Stop moving. This is not just coins. You got no weapons? I'm gonna do a thorough search at the store. If I find any bag inside my car, I know that's yours because my car don't have any of that.
No problem.
So if you have more, just let me know.
I don't have anything here. My time right there is just out.
You're what?
Change.
Okay, you want that? You want the 10 cents? Alright, sit in the middle.
When you sit in the middle, then I'll make you walk here and have to start with it. So he gets your point, right? Yeah, perfect.
Come out. Step out the car.
11206, 11206.
Damn, man.
Stand up. Turn around. Alright, have a seat. Come again, Amanisha. Stand up. Okay, you don't have to. I'll take you like this. Move your head. Move your 27 piece.
You got jokes,
So you
right?
lie to me again.
I just got what?
What's this?
There ain't nothing in there. It's trash.
I actually we have enough.
There's nothing but trash, but he's on that new one. There ain't nothing but trash in here.
Why you keep talking to me like that? No, I can't do that. What type of officers does that make me if I throw stuff out?
What you mean? He nothing but trash in here.
You got something in your 27 piece?
I don't know, you got something in yours?
This ain't no 27 piece. Stop moving.
I mean, ain't nothing in
I
there,
don't
man.
do 27
Ain't
pieces.
nothing in
Hold on,
there.
let me check. Let me check.
Come on, man. Now you doing too much. This ain't no wig,
I'm
man.
not gonna take it out. Relax.
It's not gonna be out. This ain't no wig, man.
Chin here.
It's not a wig.
These little baggage that she got. In her little bra. What happened? I'm not the one that put you here. I'm not the one that put this in your bra.
Yeah, it was you. I remembered you. I was wearing the wig, my black wig. Yeah, I remember you.
I
That's why I looked at you. I was like, oh shit.
Hey, that's how you walked up and you saw me? The hat didn't work, huh?
Yeah, I saw your ass.
Hey, well, hey, I'll be honest, I didn't recognize your wig.
I saw your ass.
I don't remember her.
I don't remember her though. She don't walk.
This is
This
the only thing I'm gonna throw
No,
out right
it
here.
was for the last one.
Because there's nothing here. But this, I
Oh,
can't.
November.
Miss Williams, stand up, come over here. I have to read your Miranda rights. You don't want me to read your Miranda rights? Just take you to the jail? You don't want to talk. When was the last time you was arrested?
Oh no. Aggravating, no.
Who's aggravating?
This shit going through this bullshit, bro.
You don't have to. Have a seat. Okay, I'm gonna read your Miranda rights directly from the car. I'm sure you're aware of what Miranda rights are, right? Okay, so in the beginning of this conversation, you made a comment saying that they make it hard for the ones that are dressed up. So you're working.
Yeah, because they want me to I am standing right there.
But you've been arrested before for prostitution.
Yeah, but there was not like that. It was like that. And they just grabbed me.
How is not like that? Why am I supposed to believe you?
Because I got grabbed. Because I got grabbed.
What other guy was grabbing you?
When I got arrested.
So all those times that you've been arrested for prostitution, you weren't working?
I got arrested one time, like 2 years ago. I was prostitution.
So it's just a coincidence that every time that there's a prostitution sweep, you just get snatched up. You happen to be in the area. No, you don't have to lie. Okay, so do you have a job?
I do hair.
But you weren't doing hair now. You were standing in the corner next to prostitutes. Okay, so yeah, you can't sit there. So you were obstructing the sidewalk too. That's another thing that you were doing. I see you're gonna keep lying to me. I already know what you were doing. You weren't just standing in the corner. You don't gotta try to lie to me. I respect you more if you just keep it G. You were working. You're not even wearing panties. Really? Okay. We're gonna scratch this. I'm not gonna keep asking you these type of questions, interrogating questions. I'm gonna just go by what you're saying. Is anyone making you do this? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna turn off my camera.
Markevia Moore was taken into custody and charged with 2 misdemeanor counts: indecent exposure and obstruction of a highway. If you made it this far, drop a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe for more raw, unfiltered body cam footage. Watch the video playing right here in the center right now, and find out what happens when you think you're smarter than law enforcement. Subscribe to Police Axie and Cam, and hit the notification bell.